Can you solve this exponential equation under few minutes? To solve 5 power x plus 2 is equal to 3 power x plus 1. First thing you have to observe here is that these two terms are of different bases. This is base 5 and this is base 3. And they are of different exponents, x plus 2 and x plus 1. In that case, for you to solve, it's best you take the log of both sides. Let's do that together. So I have to take the log of both sides. I have it as log of 5 power x plus 2 is equals to the log of 3 power x plus 1. Okay? The reason why we are taking this particular log we are seeing is that logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the log. So we can now multiply x plus 2 to this logarithm. That's the reason. It's amongst the property of logarithm. That means we can say that x plus 2 log 5 is equals to x plus 1, same thing, log 3, applying the same rule. At this point, what do you observe? We can actually distribute this log 5 to this. So log 5 will times x, that will give you x log 5. And log 5 will times 2, that will give you 2 log 5. Okay? Then, and this is equals to log 3 will times x, x log 3. Log 3 will times 1, just log 3. Okay? So on doing this, what do you observe? We can easily collect like terms. Since we have x here and we have x here. Okay? To collect like terms, I will now have x log 5. I will subtract log 3 minus x log 3 is equals to log 3. Okay? Minus 2 log 5. Okay? So if you have this, you can see that x is common here, right? So we factor out x. We have it as x into log 5 minus log 3. Okay? And this is equals to log 3 minus, when we have this, from the law, we can still these two can serve as the exponent to this term. So I can now take it as what? Log 5 squared. Since we're in logarithm, we can still multiply the 2 here and nothing changed. So if you have this now, what do you observe? We can now divide the left and the right hand side by log 5 minus log 3 and divide this side by log 5 minus log 3. Okay? So that log 5 minus log 3 will be out. We'll be left that x is equals to log 3 minus 5 squared is 25. Log 25 divided by, you can see we have log 5 minus log 3. And this point, this is actually the value for what? X. Okay? You can actually put this in a calculator to know the decimal solution of this. If you found the video interesting, do well to like, comment, and share for more exciting math tips like this. See you next time.